Hi, this is Dog Will, and we are introducing you to Akko, who will be staying with us for the next 7 days. Apparently, she's lying beside the door. I guess she misses her owners very, very badly, as she has a strong tendency to squeeze through the gate when we open the door for her. So we have no choice but to close the door, and as we wouldn't want to risk her safety being outside. But as instructed by her owners, we are supposed to let her roam freely around the house, as she's not able to come out and take a walk because she hasn't got a collar apparently. Yeah, she doesn't like the collar being put around her, so we are not able to bring her out for walks like we usually do with our other home boarding dogs. Yeah, she loves going up the sofa, so we'll post more pictures of her later on the sofa. So that's what she'll do, roaming around the house with some toys. But we're trying as much as possible to make her feel comfortable through her 7-day stay with us. Good girl. Say goodbye. We'll post more videos of her later. Goodbye.